chocolate, strawberries, pistachio, kanafi, or whatever it's called. That's what people do this as a quick snack. So we're going to do it. So there's my chocolate. So what I saw people do is dip it in, dip it in, dip it in. Stop. Oh my God. Just a quick way to do it. Chocolate. Chocolate strawberry on its own. Oh no, I've got it all over my fingers. Right, this is an actual dream. Honestly, just a quick and easy way if you don't want to do the chocolate bar or you don't want to do the dessert. Oh God. Sorry. That's just too good to stop. The question is, when do you stop? That's the thing. Like, what happens here? Do I eat the whole thing? Honestly. One, if you don't want to see this, look away. And two, it's just naughty. It's naughty. Whoever brought this pistachio stuff out, you should be ashamed of yourself because you're making everyone fat. Jokes, obviously. Oh my God. Stop. I need to stop. And I'm still going. Okay. Ready? Stop now. Stop. One more. And then that's it. But this is going to be a good one. And I'm going to use a spoon. So we can get all... Yeah, you take it. Please, God. Take that away from me.